So we definitely keep on purchasing new products every now and then. We keep on trying what works for us, and sometimes it does not. So there are definitely products which we keep on repurchasing because they did wonders on our skin. But on the other hand, we also have those products that did not work for us and also might have caused breakouts and whatnot. And so do I have those products. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya, and as I mentioned earlier, today we would be going through my skincare empties. Some of them did work for me and some of them just did not, so I couldn't even empty them. So what are these products? Let's get into it. Starting with face wash. I have this one from Foxtail. It's hydrating cleanser. This is a good cleanser, and mostly I do not know if I'm going to restock it or not, just because face washes have never made so much difference on my skin, and I keep trying new ones every now and then. So whenever one is empty, I would just switch on to other one to check if it is going to work for me. So face washes are not something that I don't remember any time that I have repeated my face wash. So I'm not sure about any of the face washes, but this is good because this did not do anything bad on my skin. And that's about the face wash. Moving on to the moisturizers. Now, I really love Dot and Key moisturizers. So as you can see, I have two empties and I also have a spare one. Now these are my favorite ones. I have used almost 4 to 5 bottles of these and I really love them. I just use it in my AM and PM routines. Though I do have another moisturizers that I switch in between, but this is always going to be my favorite one and I love it. Another moisturizer that I have is from Foxtail. So they both give me similar results. I would also like to repurchase this one, but because I already have a moisturizer that is my favorite, I would like to skip on this one and try maybe a new product. So that's, let me check if I have another moisturizer. Okay, okay, I do have one more moisturizer. This is from The Ordinary. I thought this was going to be my favorite one, but I couldn't even finish it. It is so thick and heavy to get out of the bottle. It's so thick, I don't know. It doesn't feel that moisturizing on my skin. It is very thick. It did not do much on my skin, so I am going to skip on this one. So, in these three moisturizers, I would say my most favorite, my would be favorite, and something that I'm not going to buy again. And this one is kind of expensive if we compare with these two. So yeah, skipping on this one. Moving on to some serums that I have tried. First one is rice water and niacinamide serum from Plum. This is emptied. It did not do much on my skin, but also it did not do any harm on my skin. If niacinamide and rice water would work for your skin, this is a good one. So I'm not going to repurchase this one just because it did not do anything for my skin. It was just okay. Next up on the serums, we have this one from Dot and Key. It is the Niacinamide Cica Ultimate Spotless Glow Face Serum. This has worked really, really good on my skin. And trust me when I say this, because I just have these empty bottles and I have these three empty bottles with me. I have thrown away a few empty bottles already and I have one more in stock. There are a few products when you just try it for the first time and you just know it did something on your skin. This was that kind of product for me. And ever since, I haven't stopped using them. I love them. And irrespective of what skin type you have, they do work because I and my family members actually have different skin types, but everyone uses this and this has given good results to everyone. So definitely restocking it now and every time it gets over. On the toner, this is the Glow Recipe toner. This is not something that we get here in India, but when I was in Canada, I did have their trial pack of this Glow Recipe product. This was so good that I asked my friend to get a bigger size in this one because this is expensive. Again, I asked her to get only a mini size instead of the full size. This product is a gem. Okay, I really loved it. Glow Recipe range, including their serum and moisturizer, is really good, but the only thing that I don't like about it is the price of it. Even though it is going to do wonders on your skin, I am not someone who would like to spend 2000 rupees for this much bottle that would get over in 1.5 month. So I am also trying to find out some alternatives for myself that would be affordable and would give me similar results. I'm sure this is going to be the best one so far, but I am really looking for some alternatives that I can replace this one with and get at least near to similar results because I don't want to spend so much on this one. And this is just their mini pack. The full size is different and that would cost around 3000, 4000. I don't want to pay that much, but it's a wonderful product. If you are someone who is more concerned about the results rather than the price point, this is something that you can definitely try. I love their toner. I also have tried their serum. I love that one as well. And their moisturizers are also good. So I'm not going to repurchase them right now, and instead I'm going to look for some alternatives. And also, if I do find some alternatives, I'll definitely share it with you all. So yeah, I repurchased it once, but I'm not someone who would want to spend so much every other month. Don't get me wrong, these products are really wonderful. They had very good results even on my skin, but not good for my pocket. Next up are the sunscreens, and the Dot and Key and Aqualogica sunscreens are my favorite ones. They are very lightweight, they do not leave any white cast, and they even keep your skin hydrated and give that glow on your skin. I really love that. I use them on daily basis. I also keep restocking them. So this one is Dot and Key one that I have restocked, and this is the Aqualogica one. I really love this product so much. Sunscreens that I always keep on buying are always from these two brands. I really love them. They are affordable and really go a long way. So the best sunscreens. Now, I think this is the last product that I want to talk about. It's not empty, there is so much product left. This is the Chemist Play Brightening Roll On, and it says that it is good for your neck, knee, and elbow. I have been using this for almost 4 to 5 weeks now. It's not over, so the quantity is good, but it is not giving any results either. I use it daily. As they have mentioned, we have to use this first and apply sunscreen over that. I follow every step, but it has done nothing on my elbows, neither on my knees. So this is something I would literally skip. I have also heard very positive results about the glycolic acid that Ordinary has, and I am thinking about purchasing that one. That is going to be kind of investment because it costs around 1200 to 1300, somewhere around that range, and I don't want to purchase it right away. But yeah, I'll keep using this for a while to check if I would get any results. But yeah, that is something I am planning on buying, but not just right now. If I buy that one and see any results, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. But those are the skincare products that I have been trying, and I did share with you all my honest opinions about every product. Let me know if I mentioned any of your favorite products, if there were any products that worked for me but did not work for you. Any response from you would be helpful, knowing that we are able to connect with each other. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.